How to put music on Instagram Notes. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put music on Instagram Notes. First of all, open Instagram. Go into DM icon. Click on your notes icon from here. Then click on music icon to add any music in here. Now select any music from For You or browse any music if you want. Go into browser. Scroll down to themes. Click to see more. Then open moods to see more. After that, open genres to see more. Choose the music, then set the part of music you want to play. Then click on done. After that, click to share the music on Notes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.